Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid YouTube Shorts Easy Guide. Start by opening the YouTube app and going to your homepage settings, then turn off the Shorts shelf and limit autoplay. Clear watch history for short clips and replace them with longer videos you enjoy. Use the subscribe tab more often and mark Shorts as not interested to reshape recommendations gently and sustainably. Here are the key settings to tweak for a Shorts-free experience. First, disable the Shorts shelf if your app shows that toggle, and switch off autoplay so clips stop playing automatically. Focus on using the Subscriptions tab and turn on notifications for creators you prefer. Regularly clear or pause your watch history when you accidentally view Shorts, and actively mark Shorts as not interested to teach the algorithm your preference. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use every week. They save time between shoots and keep lunches tidy. I put the link and other deals in the description, so check there if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Small behavior changes can make a big difference over time. Avoid tapping Shorts and instead search for longer videos or browse channels where creators post full episodes or tutorials. Engage with long-form content by liking, commenting, and saving to playlists so the algorithm learns your taste. Consistent choices will steer recommendations away from Shorts and toward more substantial videos you actually want to watch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.